What's up, guys? It's Raf and the Rafcave, and this is another unboxing of another Santa gift from Christmas. Google Home Hub. So, heard some good things about this. If you're a Google user, this thing is pretty sweet. Got a nice color screen, all your Google information on front, weather, time, got a microphone to speak to it, ask it all kinds of questions, integrated into your Philips Hue lighting, smart home stuff around the house. Amazing. It's got a good speaker in here too, so you can play all kinds of music through it. So I considered getting this just to give me another display Google device in the Rafcave other than my phone, because I don't really have a lot of Google equipment around the house, but I want something really cool to put right over there that I can look at and just ask it questions or pull up photos from my Google account. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this and see what's inside. It's like it's got Bluetooth on it, multi-room audio, voice match recognition, works on the Wi-Fi, and just a ton of Google-centric apps and things to use through it. So it looks pretty dang cool. Glad I got one of these things here. And there's different colors too. There's like 3 different colors you can choose from. I went with the charcoal because it's a darker finish. So yeah, get this unboxed. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Raf. I do home theater inspiration videos, unboxings and trailer reactions, some video game stuff, and I just show things that I get down in the Rafcave too, just to make it more fun and just more cool. So let's get this unboxed, check out what's inside. Let's go. All right, guys, here is the unboxing of the Google Home Hub. So you have a 7-inch touchscreen, got your microphone inputs on top, you have a light sensor, and that's for automatically dimming the screen or brightening the screen depending on the light in your room. You got a full range speaker built in on the bottom, voice matching technology, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5, works with Android and OMS or iOS, and then 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bandwidth. Help at a glance, command your day, play your favorite songs, simplify your smart home, very cool, relive your memories, Google Photos, yep, answer for any moment, so it gives you a visual and immersive answer from Google, and then make hands-free calls, place audio calls to friends, family, and local businesses just using your voice. Oh, nice. So, hey Google, you say that and it turns it on. Calendar, maps, works with Nest, YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Photos. So Google Assistant is already built in. Very nice. All right, let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. Black pin. Okay. So you got simple plastic we got to take out here. Yeah, this would be nice to have this little guy in the Rafcave. So I have the power of Google search and Google questions. I think it does a little better job than Alexa right now, so nice to have both options. All right, raise it up. Ooh-wee. There she is. Google Home Hub. It's a cute little device. All right. It's got like a built-in speaker here, nice fabric on the back. It's like that is your microphone mute if you don't want Google to listen to you. And then you have the power adapter right here. Cute little G symbol there for Google. So basically just take off the plastic flaps here and then you're good to go. All right, let's see what else is inside here. Let's get started. All right, some Google booklets here. Be safe. Pretty simple setup. Download the app Google Home Hub and boom, you're good. So we got the power cord here, and that's it. Pretty basic. Just plug her in, and then do what he says on the screen. Go from there. All right, guys, that is the unboxing of the Google Home Hub. I'm excited to get this turned on and see what it's all about. All right, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I'll see you in the next one. Skull.